Hello, this is Herman with CalBasePOS.com, and today I'm going to go over some of the features and some of the functions for SPS 530, Sam4s SPS 530 RT. That's a raised keyboard, single thermal printer. That's ideal register for a retail environment. The SPS 530 RT features a raised key keyboard with 15 departments, a single high-speed thermal printer with easy drop-in paper loading. It also has a 7-inch color touchscreen for the operator. Rear customer display, which allows customers to monitor prices as items are entered and view sale total as well. It also features a 5-bill, 5-coin insert, 2 media slots, and a standard security key lock and key. A magnetic card reader to integrate a merchant account. SD card utilities include program saved and load, report or screen capture, firmware updates, and graphic uploading. Memory expansion slot to expand the capacity of the cash register. A variety of ports for communication and peripherals such as scanners, scales, remote printers, and more. Enhance the process of ringing up customers by adding a variety of peripherals such as scanner, scale, remote printer, poll display, and others. And that was a quick overview of the Sam4s SPS 530 single printer raised keyboard. If you have any questions, please leave me a message or visit us online at www.calbasepos.com. Thank you for watching.